Well, we're here at our RoHOW, the Robotics Hamburg Open Workshop. So looking around me, I see a lot of the teams that are here. We've got talking sessions going on, we've got people doing research together, collaborative between the teams, and that's what it's really all about. It's a research event, it's a communitative research event. We have a field set up, yes, we do some games here, we do some testing, but the whole goal is to come together in these SPL teams from the RoboCup and conduct research together. Do talks about interesting topics. So we've got all sorts of things. We've got teams that are talking about tooling, debugging, analyzing sources of uncertainty within the teams, video analysis of the games, and finding ways to improve those for the purpose of the RoboCup and also for the purpose of just humanoid robotics in general.
So what's maybe important about our team to understand is that we are all just here in our free time. We usually don't get credits for that. We are just very motivated and it is a lot of fun. It's just a hobby project, so to say.
So our main goal for this event was to discuss with other teams and to exchange our knowledge, and we meet other people and try to improve our code base, and the main focus is definitely the knowledge transfer and get new ideas, new impressions. So we did a test match also today to just test our new head control, for example, and some walking changes that we did, but this event is definitely more focused on knowledge transfer, and that's the main reason why we are here.
Well, the most I've done is doing with our team a lot of developments to our fall detection and damage prevention. So this was a really nice opportunity to talk with people from all different teams to share ideas, share knowledge about how we could prevent damage, how we could make sure that if a robot fell down, it doesn't break everything. So the connections that I could make here were really nice.
So the RoboCup is a worldwide competition or event with several leagues in it for the purpose of furthering robotics and also humanoid robotics. And so we as the Hulks, we play at the RoboCup SPL League, so the standard platform league. All the teams in this liga have identical robots, and our goal is to compete with the best software possible. Specifically, not just any type of robotics competition, a human competition, it's a soccer or European football competition. And so our goal is to fully program autonomous robots to compete in these competitions for us. And that involves everything from reading out the sensors, gyroscope, accelerometer. We get camera data, we have neural networks that do ball detection, and then of course we somehow have to implement our motion to get these robots to walk efficiently across these fields and play soccer. And we have various different events all across the year. There's always a yearly big competition, the big RoboCup competition that takes place all over the world. This year we were in Bordeaux. And then we have various events across Germany and the rest of Europe. Then we have the German Open. And we as a team, we like to host an event too every December, and that's the RoHOW that we're currently at here.